Hey teachers, this is a sample handwriting lesson that you can use in your classroom with your students. If you'd like to get all the worksheets and access to all 26 lowercase video lessons, just click the link in the description box below to check it out. I hope you enjoy the lesson. Hello letter learners, we are going to learn letter L. Letter L touches the skyline and it sits on the grass line. That makes letter L a tall letter. Letter L is also a drop from the top letter, which means we start at the top of the letter and we drop a line straight down. So with letter L, the top of the letter is at the skyline, and then we draw our line straight down through the fence line and stop at the grass line. So it's just a straight line that goes all the way from top to bottom. Let's practice writing letter L in the air. I want you to point your finger to the star and you're going to draw it as we see it draw on the screen. Ready? Start at the top and draw your finger down to the grass line. Great job. Let's try that one more time. We want to make sure we're starting up at the top at the skyline and going all the way down to the grass line. We don't want to go down too far below the grass line because it sits on the grass line. Perfect job. Now we're going to practice writing letter L on our worksheet. So grab your pencil and we'll get started. We are ready to start our first handwriting lesson. We're going to be going over letter L. It is a drop from the top letter, which means we start at the top of the letter and we drop a line straight down. This letter starts at the star, which is up at the skyline, and it goes all the way down to the grass line. Go ahead and get your marker or a crayon out and we'll get started. Ready? We're going to start at the star and drop a line straight down. There's our letter L. Now we're ready to trace letter L on our paper. All right, we're going to start at the star and drop a line down. Drop from the top and straight down. All right, one more time, straight down. So this is one of the easiest letters to make because it's just a straight line. It doesn't have to be perfect. So if you make a little mistake or it's not quite on the dotted letter, that's okay. Just keep going. See, I got off right there a little bit. It's not a big deal. It's okay. I'm going to start on the star and I'm going to go down. So if you need to pause the video to catch up or to reposition your pencil in your hand, that's okay. You just do that. All right, one more on that line. Now we're going to go down to the next line and we're going to be making some of these on our own. So we're going to trace the first one, start at the star and drop down. And then we're going to start at the star and make our own. Straight down. Great. Now another one to trace. And then another one on our own. Make sure you're not holding your pencil too tightly. It'll get really uncomfortable if you're holding it too tightly. You want it to be loose and you want it to be able to move with your fingers. Start at the star and go down. One more time right here. Just keep going, and the more you practice, the better you'll get. It is important that we always start at the star and not the bottom of the letter, because it's quicker and easier to write the letter when we start at the star, which is usually at the top of the letter. All right, one more on our own. Great job. Now we're ready to practice letter L in some words. This first word is look. So we're going to complete the letter L right here. We're not writing the letters that are in black because we haven't learned the proper way to write those letters yet. So we'll only be practicing letters that we've already learned. Okay, over here, we're going to write the L in love. This dog loves his owner. And down here, we're going to write the L in luck. I hope you have good luck in your writing. And this word is like. Great job. Lick. She's licking the ice cream cone. That sounds good right now. And leg. This clown is pointing to his leg and his funny pants. All right, our last one down here on the bottom is lunch. Okay, it looks like they're having a sandwich for lunch. That sounds good too. Great job. All right, now we're going to look down here at the search box and we are going to look for each letter L that is written correctly. So we're only going to color it in if it's written correctly. So go ahead and get a crayon or a marker and we're going to look at this first one. What do you think? It starts at the skyline and oh, it doesn't go down to the grass line. It's floating in the air. So that one is not correct. What about this one? Starts at the skyline and goes all the way down to the grass line. That one is correct. So we're going to color it in. This next one, does it start at the skyline? Oh, almost, but not quite. Look, it's not touching the skyline, so it's a little too short to be a correct L. Down here, what do you think? Starts at the skyline, goes down to the grass line. That one is correct. One more right here, starts at the skyline, goes to the grass line, but what's this? It's like it's got a little tail. That one's not right. An L is just a straight line. How about this one? What do you think? You're right, it is correct. It is a tall letter, so it has to go all the way from skyline to grass line. What about this one? Well, it doesn't start at the skyline, does it? It starts just above the fence line, so that is not tall enough to be a letter L. Here we've got another one. What do you think? It is right. It is written correctly. What about this one? It goes down, but it curves a little bit, so it doesn't really look like a letter L. What a wonderful job you did on this lesson. You practiced writing letter L with me, and you also practiced finding the correct letter L's in this search. Now you're ready to do some practice on your own, and I will see you in the next handwriting lesson.